guys, welcome back to my channel. I am creating this fall makeup look inspired kind of by Kylie Jenner. It's got the vibe of Kylie Jenner. My phone is running out of storage. I gotta cut the chit chat. This is for deep set eyes. The placement is perfect for deep set eyes. It's a little bit different than I have been doing before. So if you could like this video, that would be amazing. Subscribe. Let's get into this fall spicy makeup, deep set eyes, Kylie Jenner, all of it. Makeup look, just keep watching. For my concealer, I'm gonna start off with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer in the shade Light Medium Beige. This is just a nice light concealer that has kind of a satin finish to it and just feels really lightweight and looks really nice in pictures and videos. I am curious about trying out Kylie Jenner's new concealer. What about you guys? Do you think you guys are gonna try it out? I did have her first concealer from like 7 or 8 years ago and I liked it. It was more of a heavier moisturizing concealer. Like it looked, I think, really dewy on the skin and it was really sticky. So I'm curious to see what this new one is like. All right, I'm gonna just take a brown eyeliner, and this one is from Maybelline, so whatever brown eyeliner you have, and I'm just going to kind of pull my skin taut a little bit and just create kind of like a little wing. So I've just kind of angled the eyeliner in a diagonal way that's gonna give us kind of like a cat eye effect. It's giving us more angle to our lid. We're keeping all the darkness on the outer corner. Take a little square eyeshadow brush. This one is from e.l.f. It's just an eyeshadow brush, it says, but just something dense and more of a rectangular shape. We're just gonna buff that out. I'm gonna use my KKW Classic 2 palette. I haven't used this in a while. And if you don't have this palette, you could definitely try the Reloaded Velvet Rose palette. It has a lot of similar tones in it and the quality is actually really, really good. So there are a lot of similar neutral tones in this palette and foiled colors. So this is at Shoppers still. This is not made anymore. So I'm gonna just take this flat domed brush and I'm gonna go in with the more foiled brown color, and we're gonna use this in a similar fashion as the eyeliner. And create that angle. Now I'm gonna go in with this kind of burnt orange tone and just a small little brush that I'll have some precision with. And I'm just gonna go above that. And I'm feathering it out onto the brow bone. So I just layered it on again and just kind of blended it out over the outer corner of my eye, just dragging it in that diagonal motion. So we're getting all the depth on the outside and then getting all the lightness still on the inside. Now I'm just gonna take one of these neutral tones and my GH35 brush and just blend that out onto the lid, into the crease, and up on the brow bone. So we're just filling in this area, this front half, with this neutral tone. Blending over some of the dark just to blend it through. I'm going to take a flat brush and go in with the lightest shade. And I'm going to pop that on the inner part of the lid. I want some more depth back from that burnt orange color, so I'm going in again with a smaller brush and patting that onto the outer eyelid in that diagonal pattern. Just gonna do a dusting of the gold tone all over the lid. So just a really kind of fluffy brush that's not too dense, just to pick up a little bit of that shimmer, but nothing too pigmented. Just a dusting over all of the tones on the lid. And I just took a little bit of my cellar water and a little cotton pad and just went along the edge of the eye, and that just really gives you a nice lift as well and cleans up the outer corner. So you can see on the eye how that diagonal placement gave us some nice lift and brightness for deep set eyes. So I just added some mascara. You could totally go in with some liquid liner if you wanted to make it even more of a dramatic eye look. And then I went in with the shade Libra from Juvia's Place. Perfect, spicy, neutral for fall. This feels very Kylie Jenner. Like the eyes, I am vibing them so much. Perfect eyeshadow placement for deep set eyes. Keep that brightness in the front, the depth on the outer corner, and kind of like drawing the cat eye out a little bit too. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.